So these are the materials that we require for the activity to well thought waste. We need the cloth and the tape. We need the husk, the coconut and the straws. So let's move on with and start off with activity A, that is the cloth pouch. So first let's spread out the cloth like this, and let's take off the tapes and let's place them here. So let's first take the tape and peel off the sticker and place it near on the top of the cloth, somewhere here, and peel off the other sticker. And now let's fold, like how we make a plane, paper plane. The same way we have to fold and make a small arrow on the top and press so that the gum sticks to the cloth. Next, let's take another piece of tape, remove the sticker and place it on the bottom, somewhere here. Peel off the sticker, and now let's fold this into half such that it matches this point, something like this. And from the other side also, let's do the same thing. And let's just make sure that the cloth sticks properly to the tape. Next, let's fold it on the same line as the tape, like this, and make one big fold up till here. Okay. After that, let's again peel off one more sticker and place under both of these surfaces, something like this. And again, let's remove the sticker from here and let's stick it to this surface. Let's take another tape and put it on the other side. We're almost going to complete our pouch. Now let's take this other square which has holes punched into it, and let's peel off this sticker, put it almost in the center, peel this off, and our pouch is ready. So we can use this pouch to keep a lot of stuff like erasers, sharpeners, or even small coins. So we can remove this and place coins inside it or any small objects and carry it. So this is our repurposed cloth bag, and let's now move on to our next activity, which is the bird feeder. So these are the materials that we need for the second activity. Let's pull them out and let's keep the husk in the side. As we can see here, we have 3 cotton threads. So start off by taking one of the threads and let's tie a knot. Let's first pass it through this hole and let's tie a knot. So make sure to keep the thread long and tie a very nice tight knot at this side, like this. So we have the knot here. And let's do the same thing on all the other sides too. Now let's take each of these threads and bring them up like this. And from the point of the smallest thread, if it's not equally tight, let's tie a knot here. So place your finger and run through the entire string through the knot that is here. So like this, to tie a knot here. So now that a knot is ready, all we need to do is add the husk that we have here. So let's spread it out a little bit and place it inside the coconut shell. And now our bird feeder is ready. So all we need to do is take this home and tie it or hang it in the balcony, and we can put food such as boiled rice in it so that the birds can come and rest and take food from this repurposed bird feeder. So let's now move to the next activity, that is creating your own wristband with repurposed straws. So now we can see here we have 4 straws. Let's quickly go and grab a sharpener from our stationery box. Okay, here it is. Okay, so now let's start off by taking this end of the straw and gently sharpen the straw. So the more pressure we put, the thicker the wristband gets, and the lighter the pressure we put, the thinner the wristband gets. So let's try to make a thick wristband. We're almost done. So this part we won't be using as of now, but our wristband is ready. Now let's put it on the wrist and try it out. So all we need to do is tie a knot behind like this, and the wristband is ready. So we can use this for Friendship Day, and this is our DIY repurposed straws, and we made a friendship band out of it, or a wristband. So we can also use different colors. So what's happening? So what we have done is we have taken waste materials and we have repurposed them, and we have created well thought of waste. So we can look at different objects around us which is waste, and we can create objects such as the pouch, wristbands, or a bird feeder. So look around and see what's lying around, what is waste, and create your own products. So after that, we can also go back and refer the workbook and scan these codes which help you to make paper bags, plastic straws, something new from plastic straws. We can make towers from recycled material or create new objects from cereal boxes. So scan these and create your own products. And after we're done with that, go through the self-assessment and the concept map. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.